Every day on the retail floor begins with a login, setting preparation, precision, and readiness. A beauty store is more than a retail space. Every aisle, every display, and every product placement is thoughtfully designed to invent discovery, exploration, and connection. Behind the scenes, focus shifts to precision. From organizing shelves and aligning products to maintaining visual standards, the counter is prepared to be welcoming, intuitive, and customer ready. Strong product knowledge drives confidence on the floor. Continuous training ensures familiarity with new launches and evolving customer needs, enabling clear, relevant, and assured recommendations. Every customer enters with a purpose, sometimes defined, sometimes still evolving. This is where assisted discovery begins. By observing, engaging, and asking the right questions, browsing is transformed into a guided experience. Demonstration is where expertise comes to life. Through guided trials and thoughtful explanations, customers gain clarity, building trust, confidence, and the assurance to make the right choice. Inside the life of a beauty advisor is a balance of preparation, product knowledge, and a human connection. From the first interaction to the final update logged at the end of the day, the work goes beyond the counter, shaping meaningful in-store experiences.